So I did this little project where we had a little brick border wall here, and I think you can see where it was. And we were doing some renovations to the patio, and that little wall was falling apart pretty bad. The mortar had given out and everything on it. So instead of totally getting rid of the bricks, I decided that I wanted to do some sort of a bed here, and I took those bricks and cleaned them up as best I could and did this bed where we have our little raised gardens out of water troughs here, and I have another video on the channel about those. But anyway, at the time I was doing the project, I had about 15 other projects going on, as most people do, and I didn't get to totally finish the project out. And by that I mean I didn't get to do anything between the bricks where I've got the bricks in there. So this project is going to be putting in some polymeric sand, and as I understand it, you just kind of want to make sure the bricks are, you know, pretty level and in the place where you want them. And you take this sand, and the product that I got, and I'll show you that here in a minute, came in a bucket. I think you can also get like 20 and 40 pound bags, but I just got a small bucket, mainly because I've never used it and I wanted to see how it looks and how it works to do this small area. But I was reading up on it, and I watched a few other videos, and I guess you just, you know, you kind of sweep clean, maybe below the area, make sure there's no big particles down in the cracks between the bricks, and then you just pour this sand on the area and sweep it back and forth until it gets into all of the cracks where you want it. And then once that's done and you have it, you know, pretty leveled off, you come back and hit it with water, and then I guess leave it for a bit, and then maybe come back and blow any excess or sweep any excess off. And once it dries, it dries and it firms up, and it kind of becomes like almost like grout or mortar, if you will. fully dried yet, but that's what the finished product looks like. It looks pretty good, I think. I like the way it looks, so, and the boss, she likes the way it looks, so that's what counts.